Guys, and we back on that video, but we already done with the pizza, and that pizza was so good. Now my stomach. Put the movie back on. This crust good. I have the pizzas. Let me just sit down and come. We're on the couch because the comfiest place in the house is the couch and our bed.
I can say mine's pizza.
Huh?
I can say my pizza.
You said you some?
Huh?
You said you some? I'm finna go save me some pizza like London. I knew London had some pizza. I knew you had some pizzas, London.
What's you doing? Yeah, no, look at my face though. Didn't you like my face? My character looked way better than yours.
Wait, you got Robux?
No, you don't. And I just step it on no code, but I'm no poop. Oh. Everybody go watch that video that we just posted. Me some pizza. I'm finna grab one. Cause they're gonna be mad at me. I don't want my beef to be mad at me. If the camera fall, do not judge me because this is a bad place. BJ? 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 What? You better hide you some pizza because they gon' you better hide you some pizza because we're gonna be hungry later for the pizza. Wait, don't eat it, don't eat it. Hide it. I'm not snitching because I'm hiding my pizza too. So if you hide it, we got these little things. They come from we don't know where they come from, but I told you I was there. Their sausage pizza was good. That's why y'all should never ate all the sausage pizza.
If y'all like 6ix9ine, comment down below.
If y'all like 6ix9ine, comment down below because we do not like 6ix9ine. But I like his song, but he's a snitch. He's a rat. I still don't like him. I just listen to his song. No, because I like the beat when it said, I tell a nigga go. I like it. When he starts when the beat start, I like it. It's so like that's.
I'm gonna eat this.
You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
No, whoever eat my pizza, I swear to God.
I'm not.
And I pin it right here. No. I tell a nigga go big.
Want some? We're taking a bite. So I'm gonna take a bite.
I'm gonna put it down now.
Wait, did you listen to the other video? When I was in the shower? When I was in the shower? Because I told them something. You were supposed to listen to it.
Don't tell them I'm finna get a waterfall. We had some soda too, Vanna. That's good. Okay. They be hiding pizzas around here, so I'm about to do that. I knew Lennon hated pizza. I knew he did. I knew for a fact. Look at our refrigerator. Who y'all think y'all talking to? Our refrigerator is nice, boy. Don't ever play on my house. Our house ain't as nice. This is his house too. This is our house and our mama's house. Let me show y'all something. Y'all better clean this kitchen up. Well, mama gonna do it. And I know she not. We already know. Put this thing right here. How this video is already 4 minutes and 20? Oh, and the thing is in the way, guys. I'm so sorry, but it's up in my way. I have to turn the camera around and walk a mat. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all.
My camera. Why is the camera always blurring up? Guys, we just got some more money and it's coming through the mail. Hey, I got the 2-piece and then the little and the blue piece here. We make the sun. So let's pack the sun right now. It's me. It's Muffin. It's me and BJ. We be lit. We be lit up in the cave.
Wait, I bet they're gonna say, why is Coco not here? We're gonna say,
Okay, Coco is not right here now because she had to take a nap because she screams all the time. I love my little sister. Don't you love your little sister, BJ? Don't you love her?
yep.
That picture, I got that picture was good. Why you drop the camera? Move. So alright then, when the money comes, I'ma be you ain't getting nothing.
Why?
Cause you said you don't care about the YouTube, you don't care about the camera and YouTube. Okay,
I like this.
No, y'all, let me tell you about this. We're gonna go to the store. We're gonna get some popsicles and then look. Let me tell y'all something.
Wait, are you showing the money or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you what to do. So look, this sugar, and then you put a little bit of water, and then you put it in a pot. When you put it in a pot, wait, my daddy don't judge you. When you put it in a pot, like put a grape on here, put a grape in there. No, first you gotta just stick on and put a grape on
I
there.
might go in there and Muffin, don't you do what you did to Danny once. They ain't gonna do like you did last time.
I'm not gonna do it.
I saw you. I'm putting this up. Are you still doing the video?
Yep.
Guys, make sure this lady right here don't come to the battles on.
I can use it.
I like me. The guys, me.
That's a good idea, Landy. You're smart.
You win. No. Yes, you did. Yes. I want to see a video now. Bye, guys.
No, he want me to hurry up and edit so he can look at the video that when I knocked on the door. No.
Ah, you said it. Oh, hey.
Trying to end the vlog, dude. We're not ending the vlog right now.
Wait, you want to get more money?
I want to get $1 gazillion.
I'm going to get $1,085,000.
No, we're saving our money so he can get $1 gazillion.
I'm probably little too. I'm probably not laughing.
Look at dude. He alright. I'm gonna beat him up.
Do it.
Alright. Just give me that. He wanna play with me on camera. So you guys, I'm finna bring him in.
Yeah, he's scared. He ran upstairs.
He just ran upstairs. He just ran upstairs. Oh my mama. He just ran upstairs. Let me tell you about BJ. He's a scary cat. You know that thing they be doing this on TikTok? Oh God.
I got him now. He was sneaking on the step.
I say what?
I don't know what you say.
He got a lot of shoes coming to the house. He got a lot of shoes coming to the house.
I got bumblebee shoes.
Hey, me too. You got no
Yes, I do,
bumblebee.
because I was on somewhere last night, so be quiet.
You got bumblebee shoes?
Not the bumblebee ones.
You got
But I got
peach.
some of them the same as you.
She's a clown. With a big nose.
You a clown. He a Mexican, y'all.
No,
He
no.
a Mexican.
No, Mexican.
Hey, y'all know that dude, his name is...
She's Mexican.
My face not Mexican. Y'all know that
I'm
dude,
not Mexican.
you know that dude, Runic TV? His hair look just like Runic TV's.
Don't talk to my hair. Don't talk about my hair like that. You can't smush it. Hit it. Miss. I can see it above him. Guys, tell her
Alright,
to
we
stop.
out, we gotta...
Bye.
Peace. Alright, y'all. We out. Move, let me go. Peace.